now renewed their request to the government and to the Reserve Bank to ease regulatory constraints. Government sources tell CNBC-TV18 that their asks include a cut in the statutory liquidity ratio and the permission for small ticket lending. Sapna is standing by with more details. Sapna, what is on that wish list?
Absolutely, and this has been going on for quite some time. We are now given to understand some more specifics on this. So basically, what happens is that payment banks historically 75% of their deposits, and they're not allowed to take term deposits. So basically, CASA, your savings accounts and your current accounts, 75% of that is held in government securities as SLR, and the remaining 25% they're supposed to maintain with commercial banks. There is no other investment option as such that the payment banks enjoy. So twofold demand coming in very clearly that basically reduce the SLR to more reasonable levels, quote unquote. This could be around 50-odd%, something on those lines. And second, of course, is basically to give them more investment avenues. Basically the option of investing in AAA rated bonds, just like the way the commercial banks to an extent are able to manage that. So, this is one aspect of that. Second, of course, again, in terms of the fact that they wanted deposit limits to be increased, although that has been widely reported, 2 lakhs is what they're allowed right now. It should go up to 5 lakh odd rupees because, that will basically expand the gamut of customers for them, and that is what they need to earn that interest and, kind of churn their investments and so on and so forth. It's a complex revenue model that these guys have. So that's the second aspect. What comes in, of course, is also their recurring demand to be granted a small finance bank license. Now, here it remains to be seen whether the RBI will soften its stand. We know what has happened with the Paytm Payments Bank, so that's something that we need to wait and watch and see. However, the end point here also remains that the government at some point in time may, like to have a conversation or discussion with the banking regulator in terms of a possible reassessment of the revenue model of these payment banks. It's been 10 years that they have been in business. The world has changed. So probably some of those regulations need to be tweaked. That's the sense that we have gathered. We'll have to wait and watch and see what really unfolds.
All right, Sapna, appreciate you joining us, and more from